So I have an LG TV here, and when I go to Wi-Fi connection, for some reason, no matter what I do on the remote, I cannot turn that to on. And this happened to one of my other LG TV models like a few years ago. And let's go ahead and get this fixed. So what we want to do is go to your country or region on your TV, change it to something else. Your TV will restart, and then we're going to go back to it and go back to the USA or wherever you want to choose it, okay? So I'm on connection now. Let me just go to general. I'm going to go back. I'm going to go down to general right there. And then under this TV, it'll be under locations or location. So let me click on that right there. And then I'm currently set to that zip code, but let me just go down here. Or you know what? I'm just going to change it this time. Let me just change it to LG Services Country. Let's see if this does it. Oh, okay, and then I can go ahead and choose one here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and choose, let me just choose Canada this time. So that's fine, I'll just choose Canada. Maybe set automatically will work as well, but I think my other TV, what I did was it's automatically gonna restart now, but the other TV, I think I choose Canada, it restarted, and then I went back to like USA. So it's currently restarting now, give it 1 second. Okay, so it's restarted. So now let me go back to the settings here. And I'm gonna go down to, I'm gonna go all settings here. And let me change the country back. And then I'm gonna go down, general, move over to the right, location. And now you see LG country is Canada. Let me just go ahead, instead of going back up here, let me just click on this again. And then let me just put United States this time. And it's going to automatically restart. Let me click on yes there, give it 1 moment to restart. Okay, it's booted back up. It should be back to United States. Let me go back into settings here again. And this time we're just going to go directly into the network settings. And let's see if it brings up any Wi-Fi routers near me. Of course, once I turn it on, but first we got to make sure I got to turn it on. So here we go. Now I'm going to go to Wi-Fi connection. Let's click on OK. Hey, I didn't have to do nothing. It's automatically on. There we go. That just saved the night.